everybody, today we're back with another YouTube video. This one's just going to be similar to the other one where I took Ranger to school. He comes with me every day, so I thought I'd vlog this because I'm actually about to graduate, so I thought, well, hey, let's film another video before. So anyways, this is in math. He's being super good. The fit is so cute, like I can't even. His vest is from Tasking Through Life. It's linked below. I love these 0.5 angles, and also check out my leash. It's from Evergreen Dog Co. I really like this leash because it's like hands-free and you can like change up the way it is and adjust it, and it's like super nice. He does have a traffic lead on there, but it works better for my other service dog in training because he's so short, but it's okay. Here I put him into a sit and we just kind of wait there because the halls are absolutely tiny, and not only that, but people are just like, you know, trampled. He's just in a down here doing super good. Here's a better quality video of him in a down. Look at those ears. He's so focused. Now we're going to give him his treat. He's a good little boy. Here we are, I think, just waiting outside the teacher's classroom because, you know, I get to my classes in short bits. When it's clear, I go and then I sit and wait in the hall. Also great for him to be around all these noises. This is how he became, you know, fully desensitized. This is us in language arts. Isn't this angle kind of cool? Come on, this is kind of cool. There he is on his little blankie and his leash, and oh, look, the blue collar matches. See, I did that on purpose. But yes, adorable. Anyways, so I was just working and I just took a few videos. But, yep, there he is doing super great. There he is awake because he started tasking, so that's why he was awake. But, oh, there was a little yawn in there. Did you see that? That's adorable. Okay, anyways.
It's this.
Good boy.
You were actually quiet.
I'm always quiet. I'm never talking that class.
Wait. Good Ranger. Anyways, this is us walking out of the school. It was snowing like crazy and like it was so bad. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'll link all those shops below. I'm sorry that I sound like weird. My allergies are super bad today because I went to work, and where I work I have some allergies. But anyways, yep, this is us walking out. I eventually pick him up because the snow was like hitting us in the face so bad and I felt bad for him. So yeah, comment any other video ideas you guys want to see.